तालियों के साथ हमारे माननीय अतिथि का हम सम्मान करते हैं, हम वंदन करते हैं, हम हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं। जय गुरुदेव सर, आपका महर्षि विद्या मंदिर स्कूल प्रांगण में हार्दिक वंदन, अभिनंदन एंड स्वागत है। आपकी उपस्थिति हमारे विद्यालय में निश्चित ही प्रेरणादायक है। हमारे माननीय अतिथिगण, हमारे पेरेंट्स एवं हर वो व्यक्ति जो यहाँ उपस्थित है, हम सब उन सभी का सादर अभिनंदन करते हैं। We are sure that the panoramic view of the cultural program will captivate your minds. एक विनम्र अनुरोध कार्यक्रम शुरू करने से पहले करेंगे कि आप हर कार्यक्रम के बाद हमारे बच्चों का मनोबल बढ़ाने के लिए तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट में कोई कमी नहीं लाएंगे, क्योंकि हर बच्चे ने बड़ी कड़ी मेहनत के साथ अपने कार्यक्रम को तैयार किया है, जो वो आपके सामने आज प्रस्तुत करेंगे। श्रीमती सुरभि गुप्ता जी, कमिश्नर शहडोल डिवीज़न, स्कूल प्रांगण में पहुंच चुकी हैं। हम आप सभी से अनुरोध करेंगे कि पुनः एक बार खड़े होकर जोरदार तालियों के साथ हमारे कमिश्नर मैडम श्रीमती सुरभि गुप्ता जी का स्वागत करें। तालियों के साथ जोरदार तालियां, जितनी गैदरिंग है तालियों की आवाज़ उतनी ही कम है। जय गुरुदेव मैम। महर्षि विद्या मंदिर विद्यालय में आपका स्वागत है। मैम प्लीज टेक योर सीट। हमारे माननीय अतिथि का आगमन निश्चित ही प्रेरणादायक है। हमारे बीच उपस्थित हो चुके हैं ऑनरेबल प्रोफेसर रामशंकर जी, कुलगुरु पंडित शंभुनाथ शुक्ला विश्वविद्यालय, श्रीमती सुरभि गुप्ता जी, कमिश्नर शहडोल डिवीज़न। इस महर्षि विद्या मंदिर के रजत जयंती सांस्कृतिक वार्षिकोत्सव पर आप लोगों का यहाँ आना बड़े सौभाग्य की बात है। आप यहाँ पर बैठे हम सभी पेरेंट्स का सम्मान करते हैं, आदर करते हैं, वंदन करते हैं एवं अभिनंदन करते हैं। नाउ वी विल हैव आवर ट्रेडिशनल गुरु पूजा। His Holiness Maharshi Mahesh Yogi Ji may shower his blessing on us. I would like to invite our honorable guest and principal ma'am for Guru Puja. I request to our escort teacher Pratibha ma'am to lead our dignitaries for the Guru Puja. I request to our music teacher Arun Sen sir along with choir group to recite the Guru Puja. मैं यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी पेरेंट्स से विनम्र अनुरोध करती हूँ कि आप सभी अपने स्थान पर खड़े होकर गुरु पूजा के लिए प्लीज स्टैंड अप एंड जॉइन योर हैंड्स।
अपवित्रः पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थाङ्गतोऽपि वा यः स्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं सावाभ्यन्तरः शुचिः आवाहनं नारायणं पद्भावं वसिष्ठं शक्तिं च तत्पुत्रपराशरं च व्यासं शुकं गणितदं महान्तं गोविन्दयोगीन्द्रमथास्य शिष्यम् श्रीशङ्कराचार्यमथास्य पद्मा पादं च हस्तामलकं च शिष्यं तन्त्रोटिकं वार्तिककार्यमन्यान् अस्मद्गुरुं सन्ततमानितोऽस्मि श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः यद्द्वारे निखिला सिद्धिं विधत्ते निशं श्रीमत्शीलसितं जगद्गुरुपदं नत्वात्मतृप्तिं गतः लोकाज्ञानपयोधिपाठमिधुरं श्रीशङ्करं शरणदं ब्रह्मानन्द सरस्वती गुरुवरं ध्यायामि ज्योतिर्मयम् आवाहनं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः आसनं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः स्नानं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः वस्त्रं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः चन्दनां समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः अक्षतान् समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः पुष्पं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः धूपं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः दीपं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः आचमनीयं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः नैवेद्यं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः आचमनीयं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः ताम्बूलं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः श्रीफलं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः आरार्तिक्यं कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि आरार्तिक्यं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः आचमनीयं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः। पुष्पाञ्जलिः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं विश्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदि साक्षीभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणसहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। आज्ञान्तिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुमिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। पुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि श्रीगुरुचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः।
I would like to request our all esteemed guests and respected principal ma'am to kindle the flame of enlightenment. As the lamp is lit, may its radiance touch each one of you. Lighting the lamp symbolizes the disabling of darkness and the victory of knowledge over ignorance. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Please have your seats. I request to everyone to please your seats. आज महर्षि विद्या मंदिर शहडोल के रजत जयंती वार्षिकोत्सव में मैं आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन, स्वागत व वंदन करती हूँ। आज महर्षि परिवार अत्यंत अभिभूत है हमारे समस्त गणमान्य अतिथियों के आगमन से। ये विद्यालय आज गौरवान्वित हो गया है। हमारे बीच हमारे माननीय अतिथिगण ऑनरेबल प्रोफेसर श्री रामशंकर जी, वाइस चांसलर एंड कमिश्नर मैडम श्रीमती सुरभि गुप्ता जी हमारे साथ हैं। अतिथि देवो भव इस परंपरा का निर्वहन करते हुए I would like to request our honorable guest, honorable principal ma'am, to felicitate our honorable professor Shri Ram Shankar ji, Vice Chancellor Pandit S.N. Shukla University, and would like to request Maniraj sir, Administrative Officer, for pinning the badge. प्रोफेसर राम शंकर जी आज साक्षात सरस्वती के मानस पुत्र के रूप में इस कार्यक्रम की शोभा एवं गरिमा है। सर, आपकी उपस्थिति निश्चित ही हमारे लिए सौभाग्यदायक है। आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट प्रिंसिपल मैम for felicitating us, sir, and would like to call Kamaksha Singh Parihar. She is one of talented young artists. महातीर्थ प्रयागराज की पावन धरती में माँ गंगा के पवित्र जल से स्वैच्छिक आचमन कर आपने ज्ञान विज्ञान मूल्यों एवं जीवन के उच्चतम आदर्शों को न केवल प्रदेश महातीर्थ प्रयागराज की पावन धरती में माँ गंगा के पवित्र जल से स्वैच्छिक आचमन कर आपने ज्ञान विज्ञान मूल्यों एवं जीवन के उच्चतम आदर्शों को न केवल प्रदेश राष्ट्र बल्कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर अपने ज्ञान की अमूल्य धरोहर के द्वारा अनेकों बार स्थापित किया है। राजनीति विज्ञान के वैज्ञानिक माननीय प्रोफेसर रामशंकर जी आपकी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय एवं वैश्विक मंचों पर अनेकों बार विषय विशेषज्ञ के रूप में परिभाषित करती है। ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर सर, आपके शोध न केवल इस देश की अमूल्य धरोहर हैं बल्कि राष्ट्र एवं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर उच्च शिक्षा के अनेकों रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स के लिए प्रेरणा एवं दिशा दर्शन हैं। ऐसे महान शिक्षाविद माननीय रामशंकर जी आज महर्षि विद्या मंदिर शहडोल के एनुअल फंक्शन में अपने पावन आशीषों के साथ हमारी गरिमा है। विद्यालय परिवार आपका आत्मिक स्वागत, अभिवादन, वंदन, अभिनंदन और नमन करता है। थैंक यू सर फॉर योर बेनाइन प्रेजेंट। महर्षि विद्या मंदिर शहडोल के एनुअल फंक्शन की गरिमा एवं शोभा है श्रीमती सुरभि गुप्ता जी, कमिश्नर शहडोल डिवीजन। I would like to request respected principal ma'am to felicitate our honorable guest Srimati Surabhi Gupta ji, and would like to call our cultural in charge Sonia ma'am for pinning the badge. माननीय, आप प्रशासनिक जीवन में मातृशक्ति की संपूर्ण गौरव गाथा हैं। हमें ये उद्घोष करते हुए अत्यंत हर्ष और गौरव हो रहा है कि आप शहडोल संभाग में प्रथम मातृशक्ति के स्वरूप में विराजित कमिश्नर हैं। अपने प्रशासनिक जीवन की यात्रा में आपने भोपाल से प्रारंभ होकर मध्य प्रदेश के विभिन्न जिलों एवं संभागों में अनेकों अनुकरणीय संस्करणों को स्थापित किया है, जो कि प्रशासनिक जीवन की जागृत मिसाल है। आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल कामाक्षा सिंह परिहार। माननीय सुरभि गुप्ता जी, कमिश्नर शहडोल, आपने अपर सचिव चिकित्सा शिक्षा एवं सचिव लोक स्वास्थ्य एवं चिकित्सा शिक्षा के महत्वपूर्ण पदों को सुशोभित किया है। माननीय कमिश्नर महोदया जी, आपकी विशेष अभिरुचि प्रकृति का संरक्षण एवं बच्चों से स्नेह है। व्यक्तित्व के अप्रतिम गुणों से परिपूर्ण माननीय सुरभि गुप्ता जी, कमिश्नर शहडोल, महर्षि विद्या मंदिर शहडोल में आपकी उपस्थिति से विद्यालय परिवार हर्षित है। आपका हृदय की अनंतिम गहराइयों से स्वागत है, वंदन है, अभिनंदन है। हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं डाइट प्रिंसिपल श्री रमाशंकर गौतम जी। I would like to request our principal ma'am to felicitate sir and would like to request Hari sir for pinning the badge. सर, आपकी उपस्थिति हमारे लिए सौभाग्य की बात है। आपका आशीर्वाद हमारे बच्चों को मिल रहा है। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सर। डॉक्टर थारवानी मैडम, जोरदार तालियों से हम आपका वंदन और अभिनंदन करते हैं। डॉक्टर थारवानी सर इज ऑल्सो विद अस। जोरदार तालियों से हम उनका भी स्वागत एवं अभिवंदन करते हैं। श्रीमती कमलेश्वरी धूर्वे जी, जोरदार तालियों से हम आपका स्वागत करते हैं। हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं श्री केदार मिश्रा जी, शिक्षक डाइट। I would like to request our respected principal ma'am to felicitate Dr. Tharwani sir. Thank you, sir, for your presence. I would like to call Ashish sir for pinning the badge. I would like to request respected principal ma'am to felicitate Shri Kedar Mishra ji, Shikshak Diet, and would like to request Rajiv sir for pinning the badge. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to call respected Kirti Gupta ma'am, academic in charge senior section, to felicitate our respected principal ma'am, Dr. Bhavna Tiwari ji. We are lucky to have a principal like you, ma'am. Would like to request Pratibha Pandey ma'am, academic in charge junior section, for pinning the badge. Ma'am, your strong leadership is the foundation of school success. You always inspire students to achieve their dreams every single day. Thank you, ma'am. Now it is my turn to extend a gracious and inclusive welcome to all. With immense pleasure, I heartily welcome to our respected all parents. Their presence is most valuable for us. We express our deep sense of gratitude for unfailing love to school, to all the high prospects for the school. Your gracious presence amidst us feel proud. जोरदार तालियां हमारे पेरेंट्स के लिए. Welcome to the strength. Yes, they are our lovely teachers who always cherish and shape the lives of students to make good citizens of the nation. एक बार ताली हमारे टीचर्स के लिए. This is for my students. We feel proud of each and every student of Maharshi Vidya Mandir School Shahdol. Their hard work, enthusiasm and energy make our school and today's celebration a happy and vibrant place and event. जोरदार तालियां हमारे सभी बच्चों के लिए और एक स्पेशल जोरदार ताली हमारे स्कूल बैंड बच्चों के लिए. A warm welcome to our school office staff. Your dedication, hard work, commitment and support are truly appreciable. I would like to request Rajiv sir and Ashish sir to welcome our media representatives. Your presence help us spread the word about our school achievements and events. I welcome to each and every member of Maharshi Vidya Mandir School Shahdol. ये विद्यालय का रजत जयंती वर्ष का वार्षिकोत्सव है. एक बार पुनः जोरदार तालियों के साथ हमारे बच्चों के लिए, हमारे टीचर्स के लिए और आप अपने सभी लिए ताली बजाएंगे. It is honor to be surrounded by so many eminent personality, galaxy of intellectuals. It is with great pride and joy that we announce a major milestone in the history of our school, Maharshi Vidya Mandir. Yes, today we are celebrating a remarkable achievement of our school. The school has completed 25 glorious years of excellence in education and sports and many more. This milestone is a testament to the hard work, commitment and passion of our school teachers, staff and parents. इस रजत जयंती समारोह के लिए एक जोरदार तालियां. हमारे बीच हमारे पत्रकार बंधु नंदन श्रीवास्तव जी हैं. हम उनका स्वागत करते हैं. Would like to request to Anup sir for pinning the badge. Now I would like to call respected Principal Ma'am onto the stage to express and address this gathering.
Jai Gurudev to all of you. Jai Gurudev. Honorable Shri Ram Shankar Ji, Vice Chancellor Pandit S.N. Shukla University Shahdol. Honorable Mrs. Surabhi Gupta Ji, Commissioner Shahdol. Respected Dr. Mr. and Mrs. Tharwani Ji, respected parents, media personnel, dear teachers, staff, and all my lovely students. A sincere and a very warm welcome to all of you. I deeply honored and privileged to extend a warm welcome to this esteemed gathering of intellectuals and well-wishers on behalf of our institution. We are extremely fortunate and consider it a divine blessing to welcome our esteemed guest, Honorable respected Professor Shri Ram Shankar Ji, Kul Guru of Pandit Shambhunath Shukla University. He is an incredibly knowledgeable person with an inspiring personality whose simplicity, clarity, and steadfast nature radiates brilliance. Your presence fills us with immense joy and gratitude. Your presence is a divine gift, and we are grateful for it. It is Gurudev's blessings to have you here among us today. We heartily welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome the highly respected Honorable Commissioner Srimati Surabhi Gupta Ji. Her remarkable administrative expertise and affection for children is a great source of inspiration. Your presence is boosting the morale of all of us. Being the first female Commissioner of Shahdol District, you are the great example of women's empowerment. Today, we are celebrating the silver jubilee of our school, a momentous occasion marking 25 years of dedication, growth, achievements, and contribution to society. This celebration recognizes not only our anniversary but also the hard work and accomplishments of our students and staff. Starting a journey on July 1st, 1999 with 87 students. Our school has since become a place of knowledge, growth, and inspiration, now nurturing 1,726 students. This remarkable growth has been made possible by the dedication and hard work of teachers, students, staff, along with the valuable support of parents. My heartfelt gratitude goes to all who have been a part of this wonderful 25 years journey. This year has been an exceptional one for our school, and we have achieved many milestones together, such as the result of all the classes was 100%. From class 10th CBSE board, Divyanshu Soni secured 93.8%, Ujjwal Payasi secured 92%, Akshita Mishra secured 91.6%, Devanshu Raj secured 90.8%, Chabi Singh Bagri secured 90.6%, Shaurya Singh and Shubh Narayan Shukla secured 90%. From class 12th Maths, Akshay Jaiswal secured 95.6%, Alok Tiwari secured 90.4%, and Bharat Pant 90%. From class 12th Biology, Ishita Saha secured 91.6%. I am glad to announce some of the remarkable achievements of our student. Akshay Jaiswal successfully qualified JEE Advanced and has been selected for IIT Roorkee. Siddharth Singh Bargahi qualified JEE Advanced and has been selected in IIT Dhanbad. Siddharth Chaudhary qualified NEET and now is studying in King George Medical College, Lucknow. In sports, more than 50 students participated at state level competition in different events like cricket, football, volleyball, basketball, badminton, karate, lathi, and chess. Sanvi Soni, a student of class 6, won a silver medal in the International Karate Championship. She also won the national stick competition and was selected for the international competition in Thimphu, Bhutan. Laksh Batra, class 11, participated in basketball at national level. Mohammed Junaid Khan got gold medal in Maharshi National Maths Olympiad. Disha Sharma, under 15, selected in Madhya Pradesh Cricket Association camp. I congratulate to all the students for their remarkable achievements. Dear all, we have 113 staff and there is one teacher for 35 students. All the teachers are highly qualified and trained. They are doing their best for the upliftment of the students. Apart from prescribed curriculum, different activities like quiz, essay, writing competition, speech, debate, science exhibition, and sports activities are organized for the mental and physical development of the students. Additionally, time to time, teachers training by CBSE is being organized in the school to update them professionally, which helps them to develop a better understanding to nurture the students. Pranayam, yoga, transcendental meditation, and Siddhi Sutra are done by the students. We have two trained meditation and Siddhi teachers. The atmosphere of the school is spiritual due to positive vibration of collective consciousness. We always try to give high moral values and culture to students. I extend my gratitude to the parents and the families of our students. Because of your unconditional love, care, and support, we have been able to achieve this success. I would like to address an important matter that concerns the overall well-being of our students. Students are spending much time on mobile phone. As parents, we are the role models for our students, for our children. I kindly appeal to all parents to monitor and guide their children, encourage them to focus on their studies, engage them in outdoor games or activities, and develop hobbies. I am obliged to all the parents for their active cooperation. Your presence here this morning is a source of great motivation and encouragement to the entire school. I am thankful to media personnel. I am grateful to each and every member of my amazing staff for their dedication and hard work. I am hereby dedicating all the achievements to the lotus feet of Supreme Power and Guru Dev, His Holiness Maharishi Mahesh Yogi Ji, and Chairman of Maharishi Organization Brahmachari Dr. Girish Chand Verma Ji. With this, I give my regards to all of you. I request you all to enjoy each and every event of today's function and motivate students to perform their best by giving them a huge round of applause. Thank you for attending the annual function of Maharshi Vidya Mandir School. Jai Gurudev, Jai Maharshi, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Request our honorable guest, Professor Sri Ram Shankar Ji, to please announce the start of the program.
It is my absolute pleasure to announce the opening of the annual event today. मैं महर्षि विद्या मंदिर शहडोल के सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम एवं पुरस्कार वितरण समारोह को विधिवत शुभारंभ करने की घोषणा करता हूं।
Thank you, sir. Of all the students of Maharshi Vidya Mandir School.
Jai Gurudev and good morning to one and all present here. My name is Divyanshu Soni, the head boy of Maharshi Vidya Mandir Shahdol. First of all, I extend my warm-hearted, cordial welcome to our distinguished guests who have graced us with their benign presence on this momentous day. I also convey my wholehearted welcome to respected Principal Ma'am, all the teachers, parents and all of my fellow mates. In this noble gathering, today we all will initiate. Today we all will collaborate. Today we all will illustrate And today, we all will celebrate the grand completion of 25 years of Maharshi Vidya Mandir Shahdol. This school, which I am always proud to say I am a student of, has excelled in teaching students the way of life. It has created individuals not only with knowledge, but with values of trust, empathy, and collaboration. All the parents who have worked tirelessly are gathered here to witness the budding talents and the tremendous personality their children have become throughout the function. This very much resembles the concept of hope and love. It is hope that moves a person forward to push further and achieve more, while it is love that calms, cares, and stays. Ladies and gentlemen, is it possible for both hope and love to occur at once? Yes, it is, because we are hoping for the best, and your love cares and stays for us. May you all enjoy the product of culmination of efforts, talents, meticulous planning, students dressed in their beautiful attires with meaningful expressions to produce a masterpiece, this annual function of MVM Shahdol. However, as my schoolmates, younger brothers and sisters showcase their talent, they need help from you. For this, we offer certain basic guidelines. All the parents are requested to please put away the urge to record photos and videos of the performances. And if possible, please do turn off their phones into silent or vibration mode. This action of yours will help the children tremendously, because sometimes recording photos and videos of the performances can wither away the attention of children and they can get distracted. Further, the photos and videos of every single program, the complete function, will be available in our official YouTube channel. So please, while keeping these general guidelines in mind, I request you to enjoy and bless the function to the fullest. Thank you. Jai Gurudev, Jai Maharshi.